Hello, Alan. This video is for you. You requested. These are all the empty. Those are clean boxes already. So I'm sending you some of the work that we do here. All these are clean, and then we go inside towards the machine. We have enough to clean. So this is how we start. This is where we start. Pre-wash. Right now it's we're cleaning cold water. So this is the pre-wash. Then we start putting all the boxes inside the machine. So everything is cold. 10 watts. Remember, no heating right now. As you can see,